क्या वैक्सीन इतना जरूरी है इस वक्त कि हमें ओमाइक्रॉन से बचाए? और अगर बचाए तो, क्योंकि दो तीन सवाल जो आए हैं वो वैक्सीन के ऊपर ही आए हैं सवाल, अभी जो हमारे दर्शकों के सवाल है वो। और अगर वैक्सीन लेना है तो पहले 2 डोजेस कंप्लीट कर लेना चाहिए, बूस्टर लेना चाहिए, क्या लेना चाहिए, आप जरा बताइए सर।
So Rahulji, thank you so much. And let us look at facts one by one. First thing is that there is active COVID virus in circulation. The active COVID virus in circulation across the world, which is predominant, had the first strain which came originally from China. It was called the Wuhan strain or the ancestral strain, यानी सबसे पुराना strain, जिससे सब जगह फर्स्ट वेव आई, यानी फर्स्ट वेव केम फ्रॉम देयर. Most places had second wave from new variant of concern. For example, in UK, इंग्लैंड में अल्फा वेरिएंट की वेव आई. Then in Brazil, it was the gamma wave. In South Africa, it was the beta wave. And in India, it was the delta wave. Our delta wave was there in last year between March, April, and May. However, this delta then spread all over the world and dominated the world. So currently, the most active virus, which is killing maximum people with COVID across the world, including Europe and North America, is the Delta variant and the derivatives of Delta. So this is actually a virus which spreads very fast. It has a R0 of 6 or 7 compared to 3.5. तो ज़्यादा फास्ट स्प्रेड वालने वाला ये डेल्टा स्ट्रेन है. And this delta strain are now in the mid-November in South Africa, Botswana and Hong Kong got very rapidly, बहुत जल्द से ये रिप्लेस हो गया ये ओमाइक्रॉन स्ट्रेन से. ओमाइक्रॉन इज बेसिकली हैविंग 50 म्यूटेशंस, यानी वही वायरस तो कोविड वायरस ही है, ये आरएनए वायरस ही है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर 50 टाइप के अलग अलग छोटे छोटे म्यूटेशंस हैं. और दिस इज ड्राइविंग ये जो इसकी जो ओमाइक्रॉन की जो स्पेशलिटी है वो दो है. एक तो वो स्प्रेड अल्ट्रा फास्ट होता है, डबलिंग टाइम 1.5 से 3 दिन है, यानी इट स्प्रेड्स वेरी फास्ट, इट हैज अ वेरी फास्ट डबलिंग टाइम, so it infects probably more people. So that is the first thing about Omicron. However, the disease it causes is mild. The severity of the disease is mild because it spreads in the airways fast, but inside the lung, it is 10 times less harmful to the lungs compared to Omicron, while it spreads 7 times more faster than a Delta. So therefore, it is replacing Delta across the world. Currently, many places have rapid exponential rise of Omicron, starting from South Africa, United Kingdom, Finland, Norway, Denmark, United States. Now, इसकी एक खासियत है ये वायरस की, ओमाइक्रॉन की, कि it ducks the vaccine. यानी पहले जिनको कोविड होके गया है या जिन्होंने 2 वैक्सीन भी लिए हैं, उनमें भी ओमाइक्रॉन की वायरस की लागण हो सकती है, लेकिन उसकी जो तीव्रता है वो बहुत कम रहेगी. यानी इफ पीपल गेट ओमाइक्रॉन इवन आफ्टर वैक्सीनेशन, इवन आफ्टर बूस्टर और इवन आफ्टर गेटिंग नेचुरल कोविड, they will get it, but it will be asymptomatic or mild disease. So the biggest advantage of vaccine today is vaccine in most people, whether it is Delta or Omicron, will save lives in most people, not in all of them, and will save you from severe disease in most people, not in all of them. We also know that the vaccine immunity, which is B cell and T cell, the antibody and the T cell, that declines very fast. In fact, within 3 to 6 months, we need another dose. So eventually we will boil down to a bi-yearly vaccine. That means twice a year vaccine or a once a year vaccine. So this is work in progress. Just like हमारे फ्लू वायरस के लिए एक नॉर्थ हेमिस्फीयर स्ट्रेन है, साउथ हेमिस्फीयर स्ट्रेन है, हर 6 महीने 1 साल में हम फ्लू का वैक्सीन देते हैं, वैसे ही अल्टीमेटली कोविड का होगा. सो करंटली हमारे यहाँ पे जो वैक्सीन है, वैक्सीन से 3 फायदे होते हैं. नंबर 1, it saves lives in most people. Number 2, it is like an immunity booster, so it reduces the severity of the disease. And third is, even if you get breakthrough infection, it will cause mild infection in most people or asymptomatic infection. That is the advantage. So these are basically vaccines which are not perfect vaccines, but now there is research going on like nasal vaccines, which are sterilizing vaccines, And if we take these vaccines, like in India, there is a trial going on with Covaxin, or like hepatitis, we have the subunit vaccines which are going on. They will try not to get COVID only. So that type of research is also ongoing, Dr. Rahul. So currently, we must behave responsibly. Currently, the strongest vaccine, whether it is Omicron or Delta, is still the double mask or appropriately fitting, totally fitting, airtight mask. And of course, ensuring that most people have at least got 1 or 2 doses. And definitely there is a need for an additional dose. The need for additional doses, because once the government of India decides, they will definitely come out with the guidance for additional dose. In a priority basis, it is needed for people who don't have immunity or cannot have diseases which the immunity is moderately or severely immunocompromised, in people who are in frontline and healthcare workers, in children who have not got any vaccines, as well as people who have comorbidities.